Hey, travel enthusiasts! Today, I'm taking you on an incredible journey through the heart of Persia, Iran. Nestled in the Middle East, Iran is a land where ancient history intertwines with modern aspirations, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of culture, intellect, and resilience. In Iran, the president serves as the head of government, while the supreme leader acts as the head of state, guiding the nation through its political and spiritual journey. The governance? It's a unitary Islamic republic, deeply rooted in traditions and democratic principles. Tehran, the bustling capital, is the heartbeat of the nation. With around 88 million people calling Iran home, it's a diverse and vibrant society. The official language is Persian, or Farsi, spoken with pride across the country. Islam, specifically Twelver Shia Islam, is the official religion, shaping the nation's laws and customs. Now let's talk about Iran's economy. The Iranian rial is the currency here, and the nation's rich natural resources drive its economy. Spanning an impressive 1.648 million square kilometers, Iran's geography is as diverse as its culture. Picture this: rugged mountains, vast deserts, and lush green forests. It's nature's finest works all in one place. What truly sets Iran apart is its people, known for their warmth, hospitality, and deep sense of heritage. Persian culture is a blend of poetry, art, music, and culinary excellence, with traditions dating back thousands of years. Did you know the life expectancy in Iran is around 76 years and the literacy rate is about 87%? Iran's commitment to education and knowledge is unwavering. Despite global sanctions and economic fluctuations, Iran's gross national income per capita is about $16,000. The nation continues to progress, drawing strength from its rich resources and industrious people. Iran's history is nothing short of magnificent. From the grandeur of the Achaemenid Empire led by Cyrus the Great, to the intellectual advancements of the Sasanian period and the cultural renaissance of the Safavid dynasty, Iran has always been at the forefront of civilization. The Islamic Revolution of 1979 reshaped the country, ushering in a new era of governance that continues to define its political landscape today. But beyond politics and economy, Iran's natural beauty is unparalleled. Imagine the turquoise waters of the Persian Gulf, the breathtaking landscapes of the Lut Desert, and the historical sites of Persepolis. These places tell stories of a land that has witnessed the rise and fall of great civilizations. Iran stands as a testament to human resilience, artistic brilliance, and intellectual curiosity. It's a land where tradition and modernity coexist, where the echoes of poets like Rumi and Hafez still resonate in the streets, and where the future holds infinite possibilities. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Iran. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to Beautyleven Canada for more amazing adventures.